Okay, this video isn't going to be cool enough for a dash cam, and I'd rather not edit this one, to be honest, but earlier today I drove by the Hover car wash, and it looks like my local M5 finally got replaced, unfortunately with another 360 plus, as much as I don't like them. So we're only checking it out because it's my hometown. I don't think I'm technically supposed to go in this way, but I can. Yep, 360. Like, I think this is the third one here now. I didn't pull in very straight. I'm gonna straighten out first. And the prices have been bumped up again, of course. Well, rip. See, like, a 360 plus is not worth using the dash cam to edit a video with one of these, so it just makes more sense to film it just on my phone and then I can upload it without editing it, because it's just not a special car wash, and there's just way too many of them. But yeah, rip.
Hello, welcome to our car wash. Please select your wash or enter your
I think the prices used to be like 6, 7, 8, and 9, or 5, 6, 7, and 8 a long time ago, and I think it might have been like 7, 8, 9, 10 when I did the video of this M5 4 years ago now. But now they are 7, 9, 11, and 13. But I'm glad they still have the Wash Select 2 pay station, because I do like these. I'm trying to get my card orientation right.
Please set payment for your selection. Purchase the works wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
You know, the M5 is my favorite laser wash system. 360 is my least favorite. Oh. Good Lord, that's loud. I think this is actually the 10th 360 I've filmed. I just don't enjoy filming these. I never specifically search to film these things. They find me instead. Although I think the wash prices are still okay. Those entry rocker panel blasters are also new because those weren't with the old M5. You know, now that I think about it, I believe the 360 Plus comes standard with the onboard dryers now. Because I never see them with separate dryers. Except that one in Texas I did a few years back with a second dryer setup on it. I figure I'd film it, you know, sunset, so that y'all could see some of the lighting, RGB lighting on this thing, I guess. Empty pass. I mean, these things just get boring because they're literally everywhere. And on my list, it's only marginally better than a Kondor. Okay, I like how they have the dryers programmed though. One pass and then you exit as if they were a standalone dryer. Like, it doesn't help that the wash arm's still dripping water out. I don't know if the middle blowers on these things are ever like supposed to move like on normal swing airs. But like, a standalone swing air dryer system is actually somewhat rare, but there's still no dryer timer out here. But the dryers are ironically doing pretty good. Well, I know it's not exciting anymore, but the wash still did pretty good, and for the price, it's still pretty okay. I don't remember what the most expensive 360 I've done before is, but I might have to look that up. But for $13, it's still okay. But, well, hope y'all still enjoyed it, even though it's like one of my least favorite systems. And see y'all later.